Welcome to Bit.com. To begin your trading journey, follow these 3 simple steps on making a deposit into your Bit.com wallet. Step 1. Click the Assets button on the top right of the website. As you can see, there are many types of cryptocurrencies available to deposit on our platform, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, USDC, USDT, and many more. Step 2. Click the Deposit button on the desired currency you want to deposit. You can either copy the wallet address or scan the QR code to deposit to Bit.com. You can also deposit via bank transfer or credit card by doing so on the Matrixport app. To do this, open the Matrixport app, select the Deposit button, and tap Bank Wire. Alternatively, select Credit Card and fill out the form. Matrixport has you covered with a wide variety of international currencies for deposit. Step 3. Once you've deposited, send the funds over to your Bit.com wallet and begin trading. Bit.com has some of the best trading services in the market and provides these services to many derivatives, options traders, and institutional grade market makers. Go to Bit.com today to start the next chapter of your trading journey.